how to make Google Docs narrow margins. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make narrow margins in Google Docs. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your email and password if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, open the document you want to edit or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Now, head over to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Page Setup. This will open up the Page Setup window. Here, you'll notice the default margins are usually set to 1 inch on all sides. To make them narrow, simply reduce the numbers. A common choice is 0.5 inches for top, bottom, left, and right, but you can adjust them however you like. Once you've set your preferred sizes, click OK, and just like that, your document will update with the new margins. Keep in mind that adjusting margins changes how your content looks, so double check your document to make sure everything is aligned properly. And if it doesn't look right, you can always go back and tweak the margins again. That's all for the video.